So very common with the Zodiac G3 that it's stuck, it's not moving. Why is my cleaner not moving? And there's a diaphragm on the inside that sometimes, not sometimes, pretty frequently gets a rip or a tear or a hole, and for that reason water is coming out and it's no longer a closed system and it doesn't move, and all you got to do is replace this with another diaphragm. It's about a $10 part, and I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll take it out real quick right now and show you all how to get this out. Am I in? Okay, it's just a couple of twists and turns. First here on the yellow, lefty-loosey. Take it out, put this to the side. Then you got one more twist right here, lefty-loosey. You expose this long pipe, push it up, kind of play with it a little, up, push, and there's your diaphragm. Now it's exposed, okay? I don't like taking this all the way out because I don't need to, and sometimes you might forget which side it goes in, so I just leave it to where it's exposed. Take it off, put a new one on. Sometimes it's a little stiff, so maybe wetting it gets it, allows you to maneuver a little bit better, but sometimes you gotta play with it for a little bit, not too much. Boom. Okay, now it's one nice solid piece. Pull it back in through. Okay, that's in. There's no gaps, it's pushed down. Back in through this pipe. Righty-tighty. Don't over crank it, but go until there's no more left. That's it. Or you'll crack it, so don't over tighten that part. And then back in here until that's completely tight. Then let's get the hose back in. Turn the pump on. And it's immediately working, thumping. So, yeah, man. Anytime the pump is on, make sure that there's nothing stuck underneath on the inside. Sometimes something will actually get lodged inside of here, a toy or something like that. But if it's free from everything, just lefty-loosey, take out both parts until you expose this and replace it. That's it. See you on the next one.